All right. Um, Good afternoon, all, and welcome back to the Java SE for beginners. And today we're going to uh, look into the generation of UI with Eclipse using the window builder for Eclipse. That is the drag and drop method. Uh, okay, let me close everything from Eclipse here. This is our workspace, and I want to continue with the workspace as it is. Actually we have started developing HR, that is human resource application. Our aim is to develop a web application using Java GUI technology with human resource. But for now, since we're learning from scratch, we want to demonstrate how the Swing technology could be used to generate some pages in the web or to initiate the development of HR application with the Swing technology for now. Swing and AWT, Swing as well as AWT, Abstract Windows Toolkit. But we want to be dragging a drag and drop instead of generating it. We have seen how to generate it using hard-coded way. Today we want to study how we generate with the Eclipse UI builder. The first thing we do is to come up. Let me create another project in the Eclipse workspace. Let me create another project, and I will call it HR desktop. Maybe later when it is desktop application, we can make it client server, right? Is it not?
Yes.
Client server deployed online, is it? Yes, it is possible. So you have it situated in one single deployed on a server in an organization, and many people connect to it, and it will work. Many applications are working like that. They can as well, host the database. They can host the database somewhere remotely. So everything done is being deployed in the database over there. So you don't have server. That means you don't have per se. You have a server, but the database server is remotely deployed, and then the server that runs your application is connected. Situated in your office. So client server. Let's say client server with remote DB. With remote DB server. See how lengthy this is. I'm just trying to. That means we are heading towards this. So this is what we have as a project, and it suggests that we should use JDK 17. I think this is okay. So this is our okay. I'm sorry. Let me magnify. So this is the newly created project. Thank you. So we want to create a class. If you check in here, you see actually no any at the source. This is where your classes and packages are. No any classes is created here yet. So you right click on the class. Okay. Since we're going to be using drag and drop, if you don't install your window builder for Eclipse, you are not going to see this icon. All right. If you click in here, you see lot of things: SWT, JFS, many APIs you use for the development of desktop application in Java. But we say we want to use Swing, right? It is the most recognized one and the one being used since the advent of, I think, JDK 1.6 or something. So, and it's still within the JDK versions. So this is now JFrame, and you can just start from here. You know, you can develop applets, you can use a lot of things like the G dialog, the panel. We know how to, we've been using it, right? You can as well, if you don't want to go through here, you can as well click on file, and then you click on file, then you click on new, and then you move down to after clicking on new, you move to I think model, sorry, others. Oh, what's happening? This is too big, right? Let me reduce the magnification. File new, then others. All right, so at others, you see what? Window builder, right? Can you see window builder here? Window builder, then you click on it and you move down to what? Swing designer. All right, then if you in the swing designer, you see what? JFrame, right? I don't know, you guys are not responding, like you're not understanding what I'm doing. Is it okay? Should I continue, or should just stop? Huh? You're not seeing, right? No. Okay. You either pick it from here, or you exit this window and pick from the what? Let me make it 300. It is faster. So if I want to pick from here, this is a shortcut. It's an icon. I click and I pick from JFrame. The same thing. Then I click on JFrame. You know, when you click on JFrame, the IDE will try to add a kind of a class for you, because you won't have a JFrame without class. I don't know. For those who have followed us right from onset, right from how we started developing, you know that we create a class, then we extend it to JFrame, right? And that when you extend to JFrame, it's an inheritance, and that class inherits the properties of the JFrame. So I did not create any package. So let's say we want to create